camping. This time we are going to Horse Cave, KOA. I will show you guys over there.
Yeah.
We are here, Horse Cave, KOA. We are arrived at safely. And then here, this way, nobody next to us. Only this way. And then this is a huge campsite. I know. And then our campsite number is 93.
Mom, what are you making?
Hamburger. Hamburger for dinner.
Okay.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
So where is mommy face? Crazy.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Pali, mama time.
Make me my meat.
Yeah, tell him, Boo, be quiet.
Baba, be quiet. Yeah.
So when you go out, okay?
My mom's cooking a hamburger right now. Say hello, Mom. I said hello. I just, okay, what?
Who is Ula? I can speak Spanish. Hey, camera, 똑바로. Smells so good.
I know.
I like the onion mushroom fried. Oh,
What?
treasure. Woo, woo. That is Kevin. This space is huge. I like it. Okay, I have to close each other. Eat time, eat time, eat time, eat time. We are eat just one hamburger. That guy eating 2 hamburgers. Hamburger was very delicious. And here is Ashley. Ashley is eating tangerine. Nana time. Now almost 12 o'clock. We just woke up. We have to make a cake. Eat and get ready, and we are going to today Mammoth Cave State Park. We're gonna have fun on another cave tour. I'm trying to make a frozen chicken with rice. Why so much butter? And he make a grilled cheese for Ashley.
Hi, YouTube.
Today dinner I don't have to cook. We went to Walmart and they grabbed this chicken for our dinner, and then made salad. So salad, chicken with rice is gonna be our dinner. Ashley say hungry. We have to eat. Everybody hungry. Selfie time. And here Ashley and Ashley and Teddy. Bobo wants to go to party. Bobo, wait. Ashley gonna cook it. Sorry, there are no breakfast pictures and or videos because we were in a hurry to go to zoo. So here is only Ashley's picture. She's eating her breakfast. Have fun fishing. Now I make a fish for dinner. Today we went to Kentucky on the underground adventure zoo. We had so much fun over there. And then eating time, cooking, eating time. I'm gonna cook this fish. It's raining. There are no selfie or videos for dinner. Sorry. Hey, hey, no crazy.
Let me do this way. Ow. Oh, why are you pulling my arm?
want yogi bye bye? Ashley and Yogi at the dog park. We don't see any fishing. I don't know where they go. I am cooking stroganoff for dinner. This is the first time I try. Hopefully the taste is good. Hopefully. stroganoff. 맛있어? It's not vegetable. So hash it. Be careful. We just woke up. My husband and my Ashley want this canned soup, so I'm gonna make one, boil this canned soup, and then I'm gonna do French fries with the air fryer. What?
I got stuck a million times right because of Boo Boo.
He trapped you again?
Yeah.
Yep. We're gonna eat, and then tomorrow is check-out day, so we're gonna just stay here, hang out here. And they actually want to go playground. Yep. So we're gonna hang out here, hang out, have fun, play here. And then tomorrow is finally going home. Can't believe already Monday to Saturday already. Tomorrow, today Friday. Time flies. Let's go, time. What are you going to do? She's 밥 먹어요. 밥 먹으세요? Hey, stop it. What the? Stop it. You don't have a tea, baby. I'm eating ramen. Actually, and then my husband finished the canned soup with the bread. And my husband finished the French fries too. Now my turn. I'm eating. 아싸, 위디야 너무 잘했어. Cook kalbi for dinner. I'm hungry. And my husband gonna cook. Yep. Not me. No more cook. Okay, just watching him. My husband is cooking kalbi for our dinner. And I took these pictures. Ta-da! Kalbi and cucumber salad and onion. Ashley's eating. My baby 여기. Night night. Love you. Today's checkout day, Saturday. We stayed here, Horse Cave, KOA, Monday to Saturday. 5 nights, 6 days. Let's go. Now 10 o'clock, 16 minutes. 10, 16, getting ready. What the board? Let's go. Bye bye, KOA. See you guys maybe next time or not. Did you have fun here, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes? Here is Boo Boo. We had so much fun here. Bye bye, KOA. Horse Cable, KOA. We are almost home. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.